Contour object detection. And now that we have an understanding of how contour works, let's say how to use them with Python 3 and OpenCV 3. As a first step, let's convert this into the grayscale image using the grays equals CV2. Let's start with this gray CV2 dot CVT color and just pass it through the image, and CV2 dot color underscore RGB to GRAY. So nothing that in the capitalized, and then let's create a quick threshold for it, and for that thresh equal to CV2 dot adaptive thresholds, pass through the gray 255, the maximum limit, CV2 dot adaptive thresh Gaussian underscore C, and also pass through the CV2 dot thresh binary 115 and 1. So now what we need to do that basically 115, which indicates the area over which the adaptive threshold will apply, and then value of the 1. Now we need to show it the CV2.mshow and pass through the binary and here thresh. So now let's start the work on the formulation of the contours command, and it actually has the outputs like this way: contours and hierarchy and CV2 dot find contours. This is the built-in function. This is to the parent-child relationship of all the contours, and child of example, the contour is enclosed by this way. So here what we need to do, just pass through the threshold here, and CV2 dot RETR underscore TREE tree, and then comma CV2 dot CHAIN chain underscore approx and underscore simple, and then that's the close the parenthesis here with it. So now let's start the formulating of drawing or draw the command first that we want to make the deep copies of the image. So it will be the look like mg2 is equal to mg dot copy, and here it will copy here to the m2, and here the index is equal to -1. So what basically index will the thickness. I might draw all the contours, and then we can type the thickness of it like is equal to 4, and color, whichever color you want to select for the contours, to 55 here, and into blue channel, and 0 into green channel, and 255 into the red channel. Now we can use our draw contour command with the help of the CV2. So if we see here CV2 dot draw contours, and here pass through the image 2, and contours, index, and color, and then thickness of it, and then cv2.mshow, and here the create the image with contours and pass the image 2, and then of course at the end the weight key 0, and cv2.destroy all windows. So here we go. That's we have completed our almost the code base. So now move to the terminal, and here run through the command 6.py, and if you see here you can see here the two images, that is the binary one, and that one is the contour one. We can see the contours have been successfully drawn, comparing against the threshold on the left hand side versus the output contours on the right side. You can see that all of the objects have been outlined, although there are the few artifacts where the adaptive thresholds actually try to outline areas in black. A common secondary step after running contour is filter through the only look at contour you need to use. To do this, it's often useful to look at the various parameters and information that you can get from single contour. Nonetheless, we can already see the contours is a very easy to use and powerful algorithm using the OpenCV. Thank you. I'll be back with next lecture.